Today I'm making a medicinal tea for psoriasis. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition which makes your skin cells grow too fast, causing piles of cells on the skin surface. Holistically, it's classified as a condition of dryness, stagnation, and damp heat. So as it's immune mediated, I wanted to add something that controls inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory cells and proteins that activate your immune response. Barberry contains the alkaloid berberine that we think works by decreasing the infiltration of T cells in exposure lesions and suppresses cell development by preventing the replication of DNA and cell proliferation. Barberry increases the breakdown of glucose, supports gut health, and improves energy levels as well. Burdock is a blood cleanser. It supports the liver to flush out toxins and promotes blood circulation to the skin surface. It reduces harmful immune flares whilst killing off unwanted bacteria and fungi. Psoralen is a compound found in Angelica sinensis and behaves as a photosensitizer when exposed to UVA from the sun. So exposure from sunlight promotes DNA cross-linking in the epidermis, slowing the frequency of epidermal DNA synthesis. Isn't that amazing? And lastly, I'm adding licorice as it supports the adrenal glands, as this patient found that her psoriasis is triggered by stress. There is some research suggesting that it can inhibit the expression of inflammatory cytokines. Also, it makes the tea more palatable as the other herbs are quite bitter tasting. I'm making two teas as this one is full of hard roots that need decocting and the other just has flowers and leaves, so come back for part 2. Calendula is useful for skin conditions where there's dryness or abnormally high cell proliferation. It's moistening and antimicrobial and it's a great lymphatic herb, especially when paired with cleavers. These cleavers are a gentle diuretic and supports the body in cleansing the blood. They support the immune system and are cooling for the skin. Nettles reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting pro-inflammatory pathways. They also inhibit histamine release from mast cells. Histamine is what causes allergy symptoms, which is why you take antihistamines, and it's thought to be involved with the inflammation in psoriasis too. Nettles are also highly nutritious. They contain amino acids, iron, calcium, vitamin K and potassium. Chamomile contains chamazoline, which inhibits inflammation too. These flowers also contain quercetin, which is an anti-inflammatory and protects against bacterial, fungal and viral infections. Quercetin has been proven to reduce cytokine levels and helps to restore damaged skin barriers. Chamomile is also a great nerve and relaxant herb, as this patient has a lot of tension. This is also why I've added holy basil, which is classed as a probable adaptogen, as it combats stress by reducing cortisol levels and may even work by interacting with the endocannabinoid system. It has anti-anxiety and antidepressant effects and helps to regulate excessive immune responses. It contains azelaic acid, which has been shown to limit the activation of nuclear factor kappa B, which, when it has abnormal activation, is associated with a number of autoimmune diseases, including psoriasis.